So that's these two places here and today and here. You probably can't see it. I don't know. I'm in the mountains area. There is a cool little waterfall way down there. If you could see, I don't know if you can see or hear. Alright, now I'm gonna come up here and try to get a glimpse from up here. Nope. You see that in the distance? Nothing here. Pretty cool little place. Hang out and stay at. I just changed in the car because we were at the park area and we went swimming. I dived a couple times. Oh, not to be. I don't know if you can get it. Gosh, he just flew over my head. That's scary. Let me go see if I can get a glimpse over here. Oh. Might make this my wallpaper. Okay, I just screenshotted it. Trying to see if I can get the water. Where is there? Like it goes down there. I see it, but you can't. There's a stupid tree right there. See the tree straight ahead right there? Or in the way. Gosh, there's a pea. See it? That's over here. Probably can't even see it. But there's a cute little waterfall there. I'm trying to get it. Show it on video, but I don't know how. Maybe if I stand like here? It's just a lot of water. Okay. Well, that was it for this video. It was only 3 minutes and 8 seconds long for when you just saw it. But it's not anything special. Just a wild thing, right? A vlog video. So, get back to the car.